Okay. I'm going to share my screen with the hopes that you see my notebook. Let me know if you do not see my notebook. Do you see my notebook?
No. Not yet.
Okay. Tell me if you see it now.
Us? Yep. Yeah, now I see it.
Yes. Ah, the best.
Can you even see me? Can you see me?
Annalie, it's like you disappeared, girl. I don't know where you went.
Ellie, what'd you do? What happened?
It's kind of like Resident Frozen, like we can't hear you.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to use, you will not see me, you will see my notebook. Okay. All right. So there is 24 days until Christmas.
24?
Just saying. Just saying. Make a little heart. Okay. We like to count down to Christmas. So this is my STEM notebook. This is my math notebook. If I were in the classroom, this is what I would be using. And usually have my, the name and the date and the objective. So what we're going to do today is you will be able to represent, that means show data. So when you think of the word data, that's a big number. That's a serious word. So data means numbers or information using tally marks. So I'm going to put a circle around tally marks. Okay. All right. So again, I'm going to represent data or numbers using tally marks. A tally mark, in short, is a line. It is one line. Okay. So I'm going to start real small numbers. Then I'm going to move up to bigger numbers. Okay. So that means I can take one number and I can represent it with a tally mark. And I know you've seen this before. So I'm going to start with the number 1. Let me use my green marker. So I'm going to take the number 1 and I want to show it as a tally mark. Number, tally mark. Okay. Again, a tally mark is one line. Okay. So this one line represents the number 1. Okay. I want to take this number, the number 2, and write it or represent it as a tally mark. Oh, 2 lines because it is the number 2.
5 lines.
Okay. I'm not going to do every single number. You're going to see I'm going to pick up the pace a little bit. I'm going to take the number 4 and I'm going to represent the number 4 using tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 lines. And if I would have done the number 3, there would have been 3 lines. Okay. All right, little ladies, this is where it starts to get interesting. Okay. Now, what number, raise a silent hand, silly question, comes after the number 4? Raise a silent hand.
10 of the colored ones are 320.
Annalie.
4 tally marks.
No. What I said was what number comes after the number 4?
Oh, what comes after 4, Anna?
5.
There you go. All right. Now, I'm going to show you the number 5. Thank you for raising a silent hand, Reagan. Using tally marks. It is not the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a line through it.
Why?
Raise a silent hand. So this is this is tally marks for the number 5. Okay? So if you see that, it is an automatic 5. You do not have to count it. Okay? Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, good. Now I'm going to go in order. I need my 5. I want to represent the number 6 using tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more. Okay. Move my notebook up a little bit. Scooch, scooch, scooch. The number 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I going to do with my next line? Raise a silent hand. Reagan?
We're going to put a diagonal line through it.
A diagonal line. So diagonal means this, kind of sideways.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have 5. Thank you for using that math language. Now I have 5, 6, 7. Okay. Any questions?
Exactly. So I gotta do that.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, good. 8. Annalie, do I have your attention? Now I'm
Yeah.
going to give you the number 8.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4. Annalie, what am I going to do next?
Put diagonal.
Woo! There you go. Diagonal line right through my 4 lines. Okay. Annalie, what number did I just make with these tally marks?
5.
Good girl. 6, 7, 8. Because there's 8 lines all together. Now, when I see this where my finger is, I don't have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to do that. When you see 5 fingers, do you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
No.
You go 5, right? Okay.
But my sister does.
The number 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diagonal line 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, who can guess what 10 looks like? Okay. Reagan, and then I'll call on Annalie. There's only 2.
Okay. It's 2 5s.
Oh, because 5 plus 5 is 10?
Correct.
And that's not necessarily true, right?
All right. Automatic 5, automatic 5. It's like 5 fingers and 5 fingers. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. Good. Now we are warming up. Now I'm going to change markers. The number 11. What do you think that would look like? How do I represent the number 11 using tally marks, ladies?
10 and 1.
Annalie?
10 and 1.
Whoa! There you go. If I were to add one more, that would be 12. If I were to add one more, that'd be 13. And if I were to add one more, that'd be 14.
14.
Right? Now I'm going to hop over to the number 15. What do I do?
10 and 5.
That's right, Reagan. I see your face.
You would get $20 for the day.
Anyone want to take a crack at it and help me?
December early.
Anyone?
Regular or expedited?
Oh, I know.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, Reagan. I'm sorry, Annalie. I didn't see you, sweetheart. Go ahead, Reagan.
It's 3 5s.
Oh. That's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, if you know how to count by 5s, it makes it a lot easier. So counting by 5s is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35,
35,
40,
40,
45, 50, 55, 60, and so on. Okay? Now,
89.
tell me what, raise a silent hand and tell me what you have learned about this where my finger is. What have you learned about that? What is that? Reagan.
I learned that it's just 4 lines and then a diagonal line across it, so it's an automatic 5.
Right, automatic. So something that's automatic is something that kind of happens quickly, okay? And it happens sometimes, kind of happens by itself. Now I'm going to turn the page, all right? And I'm going to give you ladies a few examples, okay? Once we do our few examples, right? RS, this one is for Reagan, right? And then we have ES for Annalie, all right? I'm gonna do tally marks right here, and you're gonna tell me what number it represents. I'm gonna give one to Reagan and one to Annalie. And give me a second to catch up to you, okay? That's for Reagan, the next one's for Annalie. Okay, Reagan's gonna tell me what number that is, and Annalie's gonna tell me what number that is.
Mine is 21.
5, 10, 15, 20, and one more. 21, you get a check and a heart. As soon as Annalie is ready.
I'm ready.
Yeah, tell me what number is represented by these tally marks.
31.
Try again.
One to get by?
Oh, I thought you hit 5.
Oh, you're so sweet. No.
10, 20, 30.
I thought you said, oh, you're back? I said, yeah, it's okay.
Is it 35?
That way, so I was like,
Well, this is an automatic 5, right?
Huh?
Is this an automatic 5? Annalie, is that an automatic 5?
Yes.
Is that an automatic 5?
Yes.
Is this an automatic 5?
Yes.
And then we have one more.
So,
51.
$29.
5, 10, 15, and one more, 16. Okay,
Oh.
hold on tight. Okay, listen. So Reagan, you are finished for the day. I'm gonna work with Annalie doing one or two more.
Okay.
Okay, and I hope I see you on Thursday because we're gonna do a graph together.
Okay.
Okay, so you can log off and I'm gonna stay with Annalie real quick.
Okay. I was
Okay.
doing something really fun with my cousin, so I should keep doing it because I said I'd be back soon. Okay.
Oh, that's very responsible. All right. You look very cute with your missing tooth. You look cute. Okay, Annalie, baby, here we go.
So,
That's
let's,
nice.
Mhm.
Okay. So tell me what number is represented by this tally mark.
get for last year. Because if anything,
5.
Okay.
I want to buy them right now. You're like, well, we'll see afterwards. You understand what I'm saying? So you can start
What
taking,
is that?
you know, take secure their last.
53.
So
Well, you have 5 right here,
Yeah.
and you only have 3 more. So that's 5,
that's all you have to do is
6, 7, 8.
Oh, wait, 8.
All righty. I'm gonna give you another one. You ready?
It's 45. You're supposed to start. It's
you get in a
2:44.
minute. Like, literally,
I don't need to put on.
um, yeah, hell yeah, I would
Is it,
love to see that for you, because
not
as soon as I get
9?
you guys, all I have
Yes. Good. I'm gonna give you one more.
Okay.
to do- But you give them an estimated date, back ordered up until, and then you give them a date. Boy, you know you got.
Is it?
But you gotta
Uh,
wait, yeah? You know you gotta wait. How long you been doing this? How many months now?
13?
Good.
Or is that
All
two?
right. Good job. All right. So I'm gonna stop sharing my screen.
Yeah.
We're gonna stop here, and hopefully I see you on Thursday.
I did shit.
Okay.
Good job. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.